Greetings, it is February 12th morning. 2021 is the year. I think I may sit on this for a day, so to speak. Not literally, of course, but proverbially. Give it a day or two, and over the weekend I'll decide if I want to do any more touch-up, because I had been thinking of putting some opaque circles with white or beige gouache, thick watercolor, just to highlight, but I may leave it as is. So we have the totalitarian sea monster and a devil sea fish, which I drew this morning, and in memoriam Zavis Kalandra of Czechoslovakia, born 1902. He was an historian, theater and literature critic, I believe, maybe even a poet, but I have to get some assistance research-wise on that. He had been imprisoned by the Nazis of the Third Reich during World War II in 2 Nazi concentration death camps in Germany. And after the World War II, he became a critic of Stalinism, which enveloped Czechoslovakia and other East European countries, out of the Soviet Union. He and other dissident intellectuals were executed in 1950, the same year I was born. All right. This is part of my human rights art series, Sightseeing with Dignity, which depicts people from a number of countries who are victims of human rights atrocities, hate crimes, war, genocide, and so on. It was a companion series to the Under the Wings art series, which depicts Jewish, Christian, Romani, other victims of the Nazis and of fascists in Europe during the 1930s through war's end, 1945. All right, there you have it. Achoo. Gesundheit. Sound effects provided by my 2 housemates here, 2 budgerigars, who are enjoying listening to King Classic Radio 98.1 in Seattle, which I believe can be heard anywhere thanks to the internet. Hey, you don't need to shush on my account, they get camera shy. Alright, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please visit the Sightseeing with Dignity Art Series Art Gallery on my website, the Under the Wings Art Gallery, other human rights art, and other Holocaust art galleries on the website. There you have it. And all the drawings in the Under the Wings and the Sightseeing with Dignity series are designed for tolerance education for young children, older children, adolescents, teens, youth, young adults, and adults of all ages. All right. Thank you. Those in cold climate countries, I wish you all stay warm. And let's hope for a speedy end to the pandemic worldwide.